This morning we're going to cover toUpper, which is going to be making a string all uppercase, and we are going to continue with the project operator here in that you're going to see how we can continue applying that. So we're going to go to our collection here, string crazy, and we are going to make these strings all uppercase. So like we have done in previous videos, we're going to pass in this aggregate operator, and then we're going to pass in our project. And now, similar to substring, what we can do here is we can create the column name that we want. So I'm going to say strings upper, and then we will pass in our toUpper operator, and we will pass in the column that we want to make uppercase, which is strings. And then we will close everything out. So let's look at this. We're calling the collection.aggregate, and then we're passing in the project. We're giving a title to what we want it to come back. You'll notice that it's strings, but as we learned in project, we can kind of alter documents the way we want. So we're altering it to where it now has the field/key that we want, and then we're passing in the toUpper operator, and strings, of course, is the field name, or the key name if you want to use that. And you'll see that we get the subdocument here, we get the document here returned as the result set, where we have the ID, and then we have the strings upper, which is the field name now, and everything is in uppercase. Uppercase is very handy to use. One of the things I use do a lot of investing, I should say, and calculations and algorithms, and it's standard that it's always in uppercase. Symbols are. Keep in mind, it is pretty, I guess, bizarre, funny, whatever you want to use, when you start to get into foreign investing, because they don't always use just symbols like we do with letters. But like, for instance, with Hong Kong, they use numbers. So, but it's actually very handy to do uppercase, and then sometimes you will get documents and you want to lowercase and then do a match, or uppercase and then do a match, and it's very convenient to do it that way.